Hey guys, well today's video is one you absolutely must watch. We will be at Disney California Adventure riding on one of my family's favorite rides, Soarin' Around the World. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
All right, everybody, I'll have.
Well, Soarin' Around the World is such a great ride. It is another one that my family and I go on multiple times, almost every day when we're at the Disneyland Resort. We all enjoy it so much. It's one that we all enjoy equally. And it is such a cool ride. The way that they do all the effects on that with the visuals and the sounds and even the smells is super cool. And I love filming on that ride, and I think the footage comes out great. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching, and take care.